important question I have to ask you, Brandon. Of your own free will and consent, do you take Kelsi to be your bride?
I do.
He's anxious.
Yeah. Sorry.
Doesn't even let me finish the
I'm
question.
sorry. It's my bad.
You also promise to love, honor, and cherish her, so now you can say, I do.
I do.
Kelsi, likewise, to take Brandon of your own free will and consent to be your husband, you promise to love, honor, and cherish him. Before you answer that, do you want to poll the audience? Exercise the lifeline, or do you know the answer?
I do.
Is that both of your final answers?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, do you have rings? Hare at Nikudeshek Li Tabaat
Zo
Kedat
Moshe
Yisrael.
Be thou, Brandon,
Consecrated unto me with this ring as my husband according to the teachings of the Bible. Those teachings urge upon you constancy and fidelity and the ability to translate into daily deeds what the rings represent. You can place it upon his finger. They're bright. Yes, we're doing it.
And then?
Try one more time.
I have broke the glass.
Hey.